Kai, go close that door. Go close that door. You're not gonna have one, babe? Don't waste the banana.
You didn't record that, did you?
What? Nice big paragraph. It's a nice big paragraph about how they killed buffalo.
Good. Now move on to the second paragraph.
What? Brayden, we're recording here. How many paragraphs do I gotta have?
3.
3! He just did 4. What if I have to go on the back? There's...
That's some big scoops, babe.
He wants us to eat. Sundays.
Bigger ones for you, babe.
No. I don't like ice cream that much.
I'll eat it.
Give him the nuts.
Oh,
No, not those.
what nuts?
The little ones. Right there by the stove.
My nuts.
Pick that up.
Ah,
Put it in Kai's bowl.
I'm putting it in your bowl now.
You gotta get bowls, babe.
Get bowls?
Yeah, because they're gonna break.
How are they gonna break? They're all down here. Mom, they're all down here. None of them
Where are the nuts at?
Here, babe.
I just gave you them.
Where?
Here.
Get the whipped cream from the fridge.
Ooh, cool.
Look at that.
Even better with that.
Dang. That's like grandma.
It's my ice cream. You're gonna be on TV. No?
Alright, there y'all go.
Ooh, mine.
Get spoons.
Or me. Where's mine?
There's some right here.
Where's mine?
Right in.
Brayden.
Donovan? Donovan? Donovan Monito. What are you doing?
Yeah, you do.
What
You
is this?
eat it with.
Right, yours is the orange one. What? I thought we were gonna get the cones. These are. Oh. But they were gonna. Hey, I thought they were bigger. They looked a lot bigger. Nope. They looked a lot bigger. They looked like they were that big. Nope, like that big. Keep it in the bowl. Keep it in the bowl. Why? 'Cause it's gonna crack. So keep it in the bowl. Really, I want to be done to bite.
How is it?
That means no one can sit right here anymore.
Nuh-uh. Sit over there. Donovan, you need a spoon. Come on, come sit. Sit down, boys. Cut, Braden, you sit over there.
Oh no, see, mine already cracked.
Mmm.
I don't care. Mine hasn't cracked yet, and I don't care if it does crack.
How do you like it, Donovan? It's good?
Mom, every time I phone leans, I think the wall's leaning, so I try to pull it.
Mm.
So you try to do what? Like, see how it's like that? I think the bowl's doing that, so I just...
Oh, this looks so good.